Hi, this is Jyoti and you are in my little treat corner. This dish is usually made with churpi, a type of cheese made from the yak milk and which is usually available in the Sikkim region of India, but I am trying out with the hung curd. For this dish, I am going to use 350 grams of hung curd made out of 800 grams of regular curd. I am also using 4 onions, 4 tomatoes, 10 green chilies and a bunch of coriander leaves. I am going to slice the onions thinly but not very thin. I'm going to split the chilies halfway through so all the spice does not go into the dish. But this dish is tastier when it's spicy, so if you can handle the spice, squeeze the chilies out while eating. I am also going to roughly chop the coriander leaves and slice the tomatoes like the onions, thin but not too thin. I am going to heat about 5 tablespoons of oil in a skillet. Wait for the oil to heat a little and add half a teaspoon of cumin seeds into it. I am going to wait for it to splutter and then add the onions in. I am going to put the chilies in now, mix it in and fry till the onions become slightly golden. As you can see, the onions have become lightly golden but still have a little crunch to them. So now I am going to add the tomatoes. At this point, I am going to put 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1.5 teaspoons of salt and mix it. I am going to let this cook till the tomatoes become soft. It's time to add the churpi or the hung curd and mix it thoroughly. We usually don't cook this once the churpi is added, but if your hung curd is not dry enough, then you can cook it a bit. Finally, I am going to add the chopped coriander leaves and mix it in and switch off the heat. We generally eat this with steamed rice and dal, but it is also often served with alcohol as a starter in Sikkim. This dish may seem little strange to some of you, but please try it, it's really tasty. And to see more such videos, please subscribe, it's completely free.